Yeah, let's make a switch for this bandsaw. I think I'll put plug on this end, a switch on this end, make some little brackets to mount it to the saw, and then I'll put a cord coming out the bottom, and then I'll plug the motor into this plug, and that'll be my power switch. Might look kind of cool. Okay, I've got a couple of scraps of sheet metal here and a bolt. I'm going to put the head of the bolt inside the jaws. Hopefully this will be a good way to make round sheet metal plates. Not working very good. New approach. I believe that'll work. This is why I like a self-centering 4-jaw chuck, just for holding square stock like this. Terrible, but I think it'll hold. Okay, my idea is to cut an arc in that and weld it to that and mount that to the bandsaw. I made this, I don't know what you call it, fly cutter a couple years ago. I made it for a specific purpose. I don't know if it'll work good for this or not. Looks like that's the best way to do it. Just advance a little bit and use my quill to downfeed. Working pretty good so far. Heck yeah. Slow going, but working good. Wow, good match. Well, I like it a little better like that, but that's going to be really hard to weld. Of course, it doesn't have to be welded continuously. Yeah, I'll just weld it on the top and the bottom. Yeah, I like it. Well, there it is. Let's see if it works. Plug the bandsaw in here. Turn the power switch on. And we got power. Yeah, I like it. A little bit better than reaching back here. A little more accessible. Yeah, that about wraps it up. Thanks for joining me. Be sure and subscribe and ring that bell.